Can you stop? We getting ready to go out. We getting ready for day 2 out with Nana. Absolutely. Say we're waiting on Nana to get dressed.
Nana is ready.
Say, well, come get me, Nana. Where's Nana that she's so ready? We don't see her. Say, where's Nana? Say, Nana, I don't see you. Say, peep your head around the corner or something. Say hi to the camera, Nana.
Hi, Hi.
Nana's ready. You see Nana, Motor? You done figured out how to stand up and play with this stroller. Help us, Lord. Too hot for socks, saints. In New York City, where they deliver from McDonald's and got car seats on the slow bus. Only in New York. To the butter.
Come on, man. Let's go. Nana got her standbys for the bright sunshine. Come on. Come on. Okay. You're going to be left. Come on.
All right, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.